Habang medyo nag-aantay pa tayo, aalayan ko muna kayo ng isang awit. Ako pala si Neil Pedrosa, and para po sa inyong lahat, gagayahin ko yung mga favorite nating idols sa pagdating sa kantahan. Play music! Ladies and gentlemen, the singer, songwriter, Mr. Ogie Alcacid. You are the song played so softly in my heart. I reach for you, you seem so near, yet so far. Mr. Eddie Santos.
Someday, as I hold you, say you are mine, and I'm your true love. Thank you for more than my dream.
Nora, oh Lord! How can I? Each time I choice how I want to say goodbye. You are there. You come like way I touch the sky. Bring it up, Morales.
We can share to run away so you love you soon. You are my soul.
A sensation, Mr. Christian Bautista. I know for sure that we will never so far out. I look in your eyes, I know what you're thinking of. Sovereign Regine Velasquez. I'm trying to say the words that might stay good, 'cause I know down inside you're mine. Please come on,
Shadow beats. You say much, say goodbye. You love the way I touch the sky.
Mr. Gary Valenciano.
We can share together forever. I will be there, so they all start to love you all. You are my soul.
Mr. Martin Rivera. Super Jimmy. Hey! Come on, turn it up.
I know the way you make me cool. We go where my soul goes, and you're my soul. Come on, come on, hey! You are my soul.
International tenor Luciano Pavarotti.
We can share together forever. To love you so. You are my soul.
And pahabol, here's Barney.
You are my soul, said the old star.
Thank you so much. Magandang hapon po. Enjoy the rest of the day.
Thank you po.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sharon Cuneta daw.
Ha?
Sharon Cuneta.
Sino Sharon Cuneta? Ladies and gentlemen, the megastar Sharon Cuneta. Kahit maputi na mukha, Vina Morales, tuwala ko sa'yo. Dito man. Ladies and gentlemen, the soul diva, Jaya.
Kung alam ko lamang ako ang pinasama ko
Si Jessa Saragosa. Ladies and gentlemen, Jessa Saragosa. Parang di ko yata kaya pag sa buhay ko ay wala ka. Sino? Sino daw? I love you, Manny! Kata Manny! Manny Pacquiao, you know, thank you very much sa suporta ninyo. Kahit talo tayo kay Mayweather, we are able to, you know, to do boxing pa rin. Thank you. What the fuck? Thank you!